Hi, so this is Victorian coins and glass. The reason this routine came about was because I went from teaching in classrooms that were about 22 students to teaching in classrooms that involved 350 students. And I still want to be able to do magic at times, and I still want to be able to do coin magic. So I didn't want to have to go buy like a big duck pan or like, a rubber bottle or anything like that that I can ball up in a paper bag, right? So I came up with this routine as a way that people could hear the coins appear, but also still use the glass as a point of vanishing rather than just a point of arrival. And so what I realized is if I have these two spectators on either side of me, I can use them to help make this even more meaningful for the audience, because what do people watch? They're not, if in a room of 300 people, they're not going to necessarily be able to see the coins, but what they will be able to see is the spectators' responses. So the spectator responses are incredibly important for how this routine works for such a large group of people. You need 4 coins and this glass. You need 4 coins and a shell and this glass. This is a very cool little prop. It can do a lot of things. Now, as you can see right now, you can look into it and you're catching the black background here. But it has this amazing, amazing ability to conceal coins. Now we're going to take close-up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what I do a number of times in the routine, is that I have the shell on my hand like this, and I have the coin, the glass right on top of it. Now, it looks as if you're not seeing the coin, but in reality you're seeing 10 different copies of the coin. But because of the nature of this glass, it looks like it's just the light's being refracted in a very strange way. See, it's right there. But so if you know what to look for, you can sort of see it. But you can hold this right in front of the spectators, as I do a number of times in the routine, and they can't see the coin at the bottom of the straight whiskey glass. It's difficult to see, but it has a really nice curvature to it. And what this allows is that it does 2 things. Since it's a steady curve, what happens is that if I take a coin with an expanded shell, so I have 2 coins here and an expanded shell, and I put them into the glass like so. First of all, because of the way the glass is shaped, you can't see the coins. You can't tell exactly how many are there. You can't tell that one is nested already. And because of the shape, it keeps the shell nested, so I can shake it. Shell doesn't come off. And when I pour it out, the curvature of the glass keeps the shell on the coin. So that's what one of the things glass does. And at different points of the routine, you'll be taking advantage of both of these moments.